What is up, guys? Adrian here from Launch TV, and welcome back to the channel. As we know, Guru's Minions have been taking over Universal Studios parks worldwide ever since the first Despicable Me movie hit theaters back in 2012. And with that film being a smash hit, this led to a Minion mania running wild all over Universal Studios Florida. Now we have 5 different Despicable Me Minion Mayhem attractions all throughout the studio's parks. However, while every other studio's park has their own given Minions themed land to go along with their titular attraction, Orlando, on the other hand, has only ever had the singular attraction dedicated to the franchise. That was until we were treated with the replacement for Shrek 48. That is right, on December 8th, 2022, we were graced with an announcement from the Universal Orlando Twitter page that stated that Illumination's Villain Con Minion Blast will be coming to Universal Orlando Resort. Now, this attraction is set to open in summer of 2023, and it's going to innovate a brand new technology to Universal Orlando Resort. This being something similar to the moving walkway system you have when you go into the park and Men in Black Alien Attack. This attraction is going to combine innovative screen technology, state-of-the-art gaming interactivity, and elaborate physical sets to create a one-of-a-kind game-based adventure where guests will encounter immersive environments, nefarious villains, and tons of mischievous minions from Illumination's films in a whole new way. This world-class attraction transports guests to VillainCon, the biggest criminal convention on the planet, to take part in an epic competition to see if they have what it takes to become the newest member of the Vicious Six. And if you're unsure who the Vicious Six are you living under a rock? No, I'm kidding. They are the villain group that is featured in Minions: The Rise of Gru. And now that you kind of know the story of the attraction, knowing that you're trying to join the Vicious Six, we're going to give you more or less what this attraction is going to be like. Now, the ride vehicle itself is a moving walkway. So if you've never been on a moving walkway, like I said, it's what you take to get into Universal Orlando Resort. You might see these at the airport, the mall. Depending on where you are, you'll probably have seen one in your life. But the attraction itself is going to be a shooter attraction similar to Men in Black Alien Attack, in which you're going to earn points by shooting items and causing a whole lot of destruction along the way. You're probably going to be competing against other people in your ride vehicle as well, but who knows if there even is a ride vehicle, if you're just standing. We don't know this information as of yet. However, we should find out very soon about this. And thank you, Gru. If you guys aren't already doing so, please do me a huge favor and subscribe to the channel. It helps us out a long way, and if you want more content like this, well, we're gonna bring it to you. Now, let's get right back to the villainy. Now, along with this new attraction will also come a brand new Minions-themed land, which will be called Minion Land on Illumination Avenue, which is going to replace the already existing Production Central. With this new reimagining of Production Central, almost everything will be changing except for the entire left side of the street. By that I mean Despicable Me Minion Mayhem is staying the same, Hollywood of Red Rocket isn't changing, and then Production Central stage, like the Music Plaza stage, is not changing either. However, on the right side of the street, we will see a whole lot of changes. For example, the first thing we're going to see is VillainCon, the thing we've been talking about and the titular thing of this video, the brand new flagship attraction, which will be VillainCon Minion Blast. And then, right next to it, we have the prior location of the Universal Classic Monsters Cafe, which closed last year, pretty late in the year, just abruptly. But fear not, we are getting a brand new Minions Cafe, meaning that we have another eating location that will be here, and I'm very excited for this because I've heard nothing but wonderful things of the one out in California, so who knows? However, along with all this change, more will be coming because other fun inspired by the Minions and friends will be coming. Who knows what this means? We could have new meet and greet characters. Maybe we'll have some costume characters that haven't ever been around. Maybe we'll see some new villains besides just Vector. Maybe we'll see the Vicious Six around the park. Who knows? Guess we'll find out when this land is open in 2023. Now, as for my overall thoughts on this brand new Minion attraction and land, I'm excited for it. I am a huge Despicable Me fan. I've loved it since the first film has come out. I've actually seen every single one of the movies in theaters, believe it or not. Truthfully, I'm excited for a brand new attraction to come here. It's replacing an attraction that was old and weathered. Whether we love Shrek or not, we all know it was an old attraction and it needed a facelift. So, plus the fact that this is going to be blending both physical sets along with screen-based, makes me very excited. It's not just going to be a screen-based attraction. There's going to be more to it, meaning that things can happen outside of the screen. Let's say you start a fire on the screen and then it ends up being an actual thing that you see in front of you. Who knows? Maybe water, bubbles, so many different things that can happen. It's really cool, and I feel like this is going to be such an intriguing attraction. So I can't wait to get on this, and I can't wait to see if I can join the Vicious Six or not. But as for the entire land, I'm excited to see what this does. Does this mean that the days of Despicable Me Minion Mayhem might be numbered, and we might be getting a new attraction over there? Because if you heard carefully what the name of this land is, it's not just Minion Land. It's Minion Land on Illumination Ave, meaning that they are potentially planning for something to happen in the near future with other things in this area. Could this mean things like Hollywood Bride Rocket aren't safe? The Plaza stage itself? The Hello Kitty store, which is already seeing a facelift? Who knows? Anything can happen. But overall, I'm excited to see what direction this takes Universal Studios Florida, and I'm excited to see how this attraction is going to turn out. The good thing is we don't have to wait too long. It's in summer of 2023, meaning that it's right there in front of us. It's probably going to open June 10th-ish week. That's usually when they like to open attractions on the anniversary of the park. So I guess we'll see. And now with my opinion out of the way, I would love to know yours down below. Let me know your take on this Minion takeover of Production Central. And along with that, I also have a question for you. That's right, I'm doing this again. I want you to comment down below what your favorite icy flavor is to drink when you're at a theme park. Because for me personally, I really enjoy drinking the banana one at a theme park, but anywhere else it feels weird. Just me? Let me know down below. And if you guys enjoyed this video, please do me a huge favor and give it a thumbs up. Comment down below your answer to those questions, and subscribe if you already haven't done so. And finally, stay excellent, my dudes.